NLS eReader HumanWare How-To Series. How to use one-handed mode.
Hello, I am Judy Dixon. I work in the Patron Engagement section at NLS. As of software version 2.0, the HumanWare eReader has a one-handed mode. It allows entering text and chord commands using only one hand. This mode is very useful for persons who have limited or no use of one hand, or for anyone wishing to read or type with their other hand. One-handed mode can be turned on or off in user settings, or it can be done from the keyboard shortcuts, left space with dots 1, 2, 3, 7, or right space with dots 4, 5, 6, 8. When one-handed mode is activated, press space to tell the e-reader you're finished entering a character. That means you can press and release one or more keys, then press and release more as needed. To type a P, for example, press and release dots 1, 2, 3, then press and release dot 4. Or you can press dots 1, 4, lift your hand, and press dots 2, 3. Press space when you have pressed all the dots you desire for that character. To enter a space, press space twice. To enter a character involving space, backspace, or enter, press space, backspace, or enter, then the dots of the character, and finally space. For example, to perform the Go to Top command, space with dots 1, 2, 3, press space, then dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, together or separately, then space. You can press any of the dots together if you wish. Note, the operation of the thumb keys and cursor routing keys remains the same as the standard two-handed mode. When turning off one-handed mode from the keyboard, press the dots of the keyboard shortcut and release them before pressing the space key. For more information about accessing and reading books on the NLS HumanWare eReader, see the other tutorials in this series.